Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ik on Card Coding. In this video, I discuss how to write the code for multiple inheritance. So first I draw the block diagram of the multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance we have two or more than two base classes. So here we have two base classes or more than two. We also have we can also have more than two base classes. Okay, now from these base classes we derive a new class C. Okay, so this is the block diagram of the multiple inheritance. Okay, so first we include the header file iostream standard packages. Now I create a class of name capital A. Capital A is the name of a class. I hope all of you know what is the syntax to create a class. First you have to write class in small letter. Okay, class is a keyword. Okay, then space, then here capital A is the name of a class. Open the curly braces, close the curly braces, semicolon. Okay, so after class keyword there is space. After space we have name of the class. So first we have private section. In the private section we declare data members. X and Y are the private data members of class A. Then we have public section. In the public section I create two member function. One is set data, another one is put data. Set data member function is used for inputting the values in X and Y variable, because these member functions, public member functions set data and put data, are used to manipulate the private data members X and Y. So using the set data member function I input the value in X and Y variable. Using the put data member function I display the value of X and Y variable, and after this class is terminated by the semicolon, because class is always terminated by semicolon. Okay, I hope all of you understood. This is our first base class. Okay, if anyone have any doubt until now, you can comment me in the comment box. Okay, so after this now I create another base class, that is second base class B. So for implementing the second base class, again same procedure we follow here. Class is a keyword. You have to write the class in small letter, then space, then capital B is the name of the second base class. Now we start the private section. You have to write private in small letter, then colon. You have to write colon here. If you are not including the colon, compiler give you error. Now Z is the private data member of class B. Now in the public section I again create set data and put data member function. If you analyze it carefully, in class A we create two member functions, set data and put data member function. Now in class B again we make the member function with the same name, set data and put data, but this set data member function belongs to base class B. This put data member function belongs to base class B. Okay, using this set data member function I am displaying the value of Z variable. Sorry, I inputting the value of Z variable. Using the put data member function I am displaying the value of the Z variable. Okay, that is our private data member, and here class is terminated. Okay, this thing is also possible. This thing is also possible that two base classes have member functions with the same name. Okay, now I discuss you the concept of ambiguity in multiple inheritance, because there are two types of ambiguity in inheritance. First is ambiguity in multiple inheritance, and another one is ambiguity in hybrid inheritance. So in this video I am discussing only the ambiguity in multiple inheritance, and now and after that I also discuss how to solve this ambiguity. Okay, now I create a derived class C. I hope all of you know what is the syntax. The syntax is the class is a keyword, then space, then drive class name. Here drive class name is capital C. So we write here capital C, then colon, then visibility mode, and then base class name. After space, we write here base class name. Base class name. Okay, and after this, if you want to include another base class name, then colon, then visibility mode, and then base class name. Okay, in this way. So here class is a keyword, capital C is a drive class name, then open the curly braces, close the curly braces, semicolon. Class is a keyword, capital C is the name of the drive class, then colon, public is a visibility mode, first base class name is capital A, then comma, then public is a visibility mode, then capital B is the name of the second base class. If you want to include another base class name, then comma, then visibility mode, then write the third base class name, and up to so on. Then open the curly braces, and class is also drive class also terminated by the semicolon. Okay, now in drive class, first I start the private section. Now M is the private data member of the drive class C, and here if you analyze carefully, in class B we have set data and put data member function. Now again in drive class I also make same member function name, set data and put data. This set data member function is used for inputting the value in variable M, and put data member function is used for displaying the value from M variable. I hope all of you clear. Now my question here is, how many member functions we have in a drive class C? Because two member function, that is void set data and void put data, these member functions are shifted from base class A. Okay, and two member functions, that is void set data and void put data, also shifted from base class B. And class C also have two member function, set data and put data. It means how many member functions drive class have? Drive class have 6 member functions. 2 member functions from class A, 2 member functions from class B, and 2 member function are the member function of drive class C. So total we have 6 member functions. In the drive class C. Okay, now here the thing is, here in the main function, when I create an object of drive class, when I write C space O1, okay, in the main function, if I write here main function, if in the main function I create an object, I hope all of you know how to create the object. Class name space object name. Here O1 is the name of an object. Now using this object, if I write here O1 dot set data, here ambiguity is occurred. Why? Because here compiler is confused which set data member function you want to call. Because we have 3 set data member function. One belong to class A, second belong to class B, and third belong to class C. So at this time compiler is confused, and this one is called the ambiguity in multiple inheritance, because multiple copies of set data member function is created in a drive class. In a similar way, multiple copies of put data member function created in a drive class C. So when multiple copies are created, it means when you call o1.set data or you call o1.put data, at this time ambiguity is occurred. In the dialog box, compiler shows you the message that set data is ambiguous. put data is ambiguous. Now we have to solve this issue. Now we discuss the solution to solve this problem. Now now what I do here, in the main function, first I create o1 object of drive class. Now I simply call o1 dot set data. Now which member function is called here? Now here drive class member function means drive class member function is called here. Now what is the name of the drive class? Drive class name is C. C is the name of drive class. So set data member function of drive class is called here. And here put data member function of drive class is called here. Now if you want to call the set data member function of base class A, now the thing is, with the help of scope resolution operator and class name, we can call the member function of any base class. Now to solve the issue of the ambiguity, what I do, I use scope resolution operator. Now how to use the scope resolution operator? You have write object name dot class name, then scope resolution operator, then function name. Always follow this rule for solving the ambiguity in a multiple inheritance, because here class name specify you this member function belongs to which class. Okay, rule is same. How to call a member function? Object dot member function name, but for specifying that this member function belongs to which class, so we use here class name and then scope resolution operator. So this rule we follow here. O1 is the name of an object, dot capital A is the name of the base class, scope resolution operator, set data member function name. Here set data member function of class A is called. O1 dot B scope resolution operator set data. Here set data member function of class B is called. And here O1 dot A scope resolution operator, then put data. Now put data member function of class A is called, and here put data member function of class B is called. Now the thing is, when this set data member function is called, so here set data member function of drive class is executed. Now drive class have now the drive, if you analyze here, set data have m variable. It means this member function is called, and here we enter the value in m variable. So here we enter the value in m variable. Suppose you enter the value of n as 10, so 10 is entered here. Then o1 dot put data, it means 10 will display. Okay, after this o1 dot a set data member function is called. Now this, when this set data member function is called, it means set data member function of class A is called here. When that set data member function of class A is called, we enter the value in x and y variable. It means here we enter the value 20 and 30. Okay, and after this set data belongs to class B is called. When set data member function for class B is called, it means this member function set data that belongs to class B is called here. Now we enter the value in z variable. So here you enter the value of z in z. You enter the value in z as 40. So after this o1 dot a put data. So here 20 and 30 will display, and here 40 will display. I hope all of you understood my concept of multiple inheritance and how to solve the ambiguity in multiple inheritance. If anyone have any query, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. And thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.